The county government of Busia's call on residents to embrace groundnut farming is part of a strategic plan to process locally cultivated groundnuts, cotton and sunflower into oil products. This initiative is aimed at providing a sustainable alternative for the residents of Busia with the support of the county government.
Combined in total, these products are supposed to help our farmers by 2027 to at least reduce the level of poverty by half, as is enshrined in the Millennium Goal Development. So it is this 70% of the rural population who depend on agriculture that we are targeting.
To implement the plan, the devolved unit has launched awareness campaigns in areas such as Teso South, Namale, Butula and Funyula. Dr. Mukok says already some farmers are actively participating in crop cultivation experiments, marking a significant step towards achieving the county's oil production goals.
Tunatarajia kuharvest 35 tons. 35 tons, hiyo itakuwa both grain na mbegu. Sinamna hiyo. So overall 35 mbegu itakuwa hapo, ikikaguliwa itakuwa kidogo, ile inabaki tutauza na nyingine tutasiaga.
Farmers have raised concerns about the need for a reliable market during harvest.
Kuna kuanga na mabadiliko katika the weather changes and then hiyo pia tumefunzwa. Kuna zile fast njugu ambazo zinamea haraka na pia unaweza vuna kwa muda mfupi, na pia kuna zile ambazo unaweza panda na uvune kwa muda ambao pia ni mrefu kidogo.
In addition to comprehensive training, farmers have received essential inputs including fertilizers and pesticides to support their cultivation efforts.